Hey CRM experts, welcome to this video. This is the opening video for the Freshsales product review. In this video we are going to talk about the goods and the bads for Freshsales. Let's get to it. This one is a bit close to my heart because it's the CRM that I use in my day job. Hoping guys that my experience will be helpful for you to understand what the product is all about. Help you understanding if this is the right one for you. Good things about Freshsales. It's a simple to use but a really powerful software. Usually comes out of the box pretty ready for you to use. This is not always the case with other CRMs. They give you a free option or a free subscription, but really for you to be able to use it, you have to start adding or buying add-ons. Something else that is cool is Freshsales belongs to an ecosystem. The company is called Freshworks and they do all sort of products across digital management assets. So you can find things like Freshsales, which is the CRM, but they also do Freshdesk, which is a contact center management. They also do Freshservice, which is a technology management service. Might be a good option for you to look into. The automations are good to use. They are simple to configure and the system is pretty intuitive. So then you can set up easily automations in minutes. Things that I really like, my number one is the CPQ. This is the configure price quote module. So basically what this module is a document builder module that it will allow you to create documents on one click. I will show you in the next videos how to use it, but just so you have an idea, like having a blank canvas in when you can create any document you like with any type of format. So then Fresh will go out to populate the document with the customer information and it's ready to go in 10-20 seconds or less, and it also save it on the CRM and all the records are linked to it. So that's a winner for me. And the second thing that is also good about Fresh CRM is the AI. This kind of digital marketing of digital content softwares have some sort of AI, but it is not always really useful or really easy to use. So Freshsales have come up with this little cute Freddy AI, which is this dog that you see here. And it is a really simple AI to train. All you have to do to configure Freddy AI is going into the setup and tell Freddy what do you read as a positive sign and what do you read as a negative sign. So then Freddy keep track of all of those interactions and it will start ranking the clients for you, or it will start giving those clients a customer rating. So then somehow it's helping you to understand which clients are better for which products, and that's the dynamic that it will be doing for you, which is really good. Again, pretty much every software has it, but it comes down to how easy it is for you to use. Now let's go to the bad. The first one is a bit of a good, a bit of a bad, and it is the analytics or the report builder. The model itself is good and is powerful. Why am I taking this as a bad? I think the module analytics is not yet up to scratch. It's not yet fully functional, because the thing is when you go and try and build reports, more often than not you find laggy behaviors or buggy behaviors. So you have to click 2 or 3 times the same thing for it to load. Sometimes you save and it doesn't really save you changes. So on the long run you can't build the reports you need that are not really customer friendly and effective at the end of the day. The second thing that I find bad is something that they promote as being really good. This is purely based on my experience. Maybe for you this is great, but the reason why I think it's bad is because they have come up with something that is called View 360. The objective of this View 360 is giving you in one landing page all the information you need to interact with the client. Weirdly enough, they decided to put the main data down to bottom. So the thing that you have at the top is this sort of preview section that it shows you bits and pieces of the data. Again, from my experience, I don't think it's useful. I don't think it gives the user the value that is promising to give, and I find it to be more confusing than helpful sometimes. This might be different on your case, but in my experience, I don't think it's very useful. And the last thing is the support. They do have a good support community website and community giving ideas on how to solve. The support help desk from Fresh itself is good. The only reason why I'm giving this a negative qualification is because the main help desk is located in India. So in my case, the time difference in between India and Australia, it's quite big. When I log a ticket that might be a priority, it takes up to 6, 7, 8 hours just to start getting onto the ticket. This is something that I have experienced, but it's also important to understand that this is an enterprise use level. So we are talking about things that are a bit more complex than the standard CRM functionalities. So if you are a small business and if you are not going to go out of the lines with the basic functionalities, you should be just as fine. I hope, guys, this has been helpful for you. Then this is the first video of the playlist of tutorials. I will be reviewing one by one all the things we talked about today, and then you can fully understand if this might be the software for you. If you like this video, please subscribe, please hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.